If you want foam-in-place packaging that's tough enough to protect your most delicate products, flexible enough to adapt to any size, shape, or weight product, and adaptable to any type of packaging operation, then Sealed Air's handheld Instapak 900 series is for you. With more than 60 years of experience providing packaging solutions that perform to the highest standards, Sealed Air's Instapak 900 is the most time-tested handheld foam-in-place dispensing system available today. The compact, all-electric design lets you configure the best system for your packaging process. Our extensive line of high-performance Instapak foams will meet all your packaging needs, from light to heavy-duty protection. Because Instapak foam expands up to 280 times its liquid volume, you don't have to worry about storing bulky materials or frequent resupply to the line, reducing costs for storage and handling. Self-diagnostic controls continuously monitor foam output to guarantee top-quality Instapak foam every time. And a patented self-cleaning cartridge dispenser keeps foam and production flowing smoothly. Here's how easy it is to use the Instapak 900 series for simple cushioning applications. First, the operator places a sheet of high-strength Instamade film into the carton. The right amount of Instapak foam is dispensed, and the Instamade film is folded over the foam. The product is nestled into the rising foam. A second sheet of Instamade film is placed over the product, and another layer of Instapak foam is dispensed. The operator then simply folds over the second sheet of film and seals the carton. The result? A custom pack product in seconds. The Instapak 900 series also handles blocking and bracing applications with ease. Simply place the Instamade film as needed at strategic protection points around the product. Dispense the right amount of Instapak foam for maximum protection. Folds over the film and close the carton. Your product is ready to ship. If you need the ultimate in engineered protection and efficiency, the Instapak 900 series is the perfect system for creating custom-fit molded cushions for any shape, size, or configuration of products. Our certified packaging professionals will work with you to create innovative solutions. We'll put your engineered pack through rigorous shock and vibration tests to ensure that it holds up even under severe shipping conditions. To create molded cushions using the Instapak 900 series, your operator places Instamade film into the mold, and using the built-in timer, the system can be programmed to dispense the right amount of Instapak foam into the cavity. The result? A precise engineered cushion that will protect your product perfectly. Sealed Air continues to innovate with our introduction of the Instapak pedestal molding system, a technological breakthrough in molding precision. The Instapak pedestal molding system creates economical, aesthetically pleasing custom cushions without limit to cushion depth or minimum wall thickness. The system minimizes cube size and reduces packaging waste while delivering maximum protection. Sealed Air's Instapak 900 series foam-in-place packaging systems are backed by our outstanding service and support and will deliver incomparable packaging value to your operation. For more information, visit sealedair.com or talk with your sales representative.